Queens? It's your boy Rastasmilez, you know, out here on the trail. So I always used to come, well, whenever I'm in town, not used to, whenever I'm in town, I like to come get some nice cardio in on the trail, you know, get a little walk in, get a bike ride in. This was the trail that I always use for my morning walks to and from work, cardio, you know what I'm saying? Just come out here to get a peace of mind and stuff. So on this segment, Rasta Vibes 420, we gonna be taking tokes of the dope smoke, ganja, you know what I'm saying? Out here in the wilderness, out here in the nature, you know? It's very beautiful. I love it. It's always peaceful to me, you know what I'm saying? Blessings. Got the crocs out in the real trees, you know? Beautiful, beautiful. I just love it, love it. I love to be in the nature on a beautiful day, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I don't mind like days where it's like, you know, where it's not too good, you know, days that people don't always wish for and stuff like that. But it's such a blessing when you can get out in the nature and the sun is shining. You get to hear all the birds and all the animals and stuff just out. Just it's so peaceful, you know what I'm saying? I remember I used to come out here sometimes without my phone and all type of stuff, just my MP3 player, just my mind, just my thoughts, you know what I'm saying, to collect it all. Especially in this world we're living in today, you definitely just need that peace of mind. You need to sometimes just collect your thoughts, think your own thoughts, you know what I'm saying, let your mind do what it do instead of intervening with the world, you know. Lessons. So yeah, we heading to the spot. You know what I'm saying? This location.
Every time I hit the phone, she shook the stress.
One of my areas, you know. Maybe this isn't it, but this is up to the part where I like to come, you know. It's beautiful. Beautiful up there. Beautiful, beautiful. See? Rasta Vibes 420 in the wilderness. Not so much the wilderness, but the forest, you know. It's beautiful. You gotta love it.
I need it. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Wait a minute, reboot. Let me reboot, yeah. I'm a real freaky nigga, no play. And I know that you the same way. If it smell like flowers, then I may taste. Make that monkey talk, planet of the apes going bananas. Oh yeah, she think I'm an animal.
Places you could count on, being alone, getting that peace of mind, you know. Look at them crocs blending right in.
Oh yeah, she think I'm an animal. Tarzan, look, I'm a real freaky nigga, no play. And I know that you the same way. If it smell like flowers, then I may taste. Make that monkey talk, planet of the apes going bananas. Oh yeah, she think I'm an animal. Tarzan, yeah. You do this thing with your tongue that makes me go wild. Bedroom just like a jungle. I know that's what you be thinking since all of these trees around. We be smoking and fucking just like an indica. I keep up.
It didn't used to be this clear when I used to come through. It looked like they had did some work up here or something. That's what it seemed like. It seemed like somebody's been working up here. Hello? I'll have to marinate this chicken first. Alright, yeah, that's cool. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, a quick little jerk. Alright. Alright. See, look what they got going on here. I knew they was building. They got something building over in here. That's what happens when they build trails. You know? I think somebody had been working on it. But I tell you, I know. You know your trail, right? So yeah.
Just like an indica, I keep her body hot, feel his dick all in her stomach. Circles will have your chick talking that love shit. You'll have to go ask, got to come get her from me. Fuck around and I'ma own the rights to that monkey. I keep her coming, that's why she keep coming back. Shorty running, I'ma work it out in my jungle gym. If she act up, put that pussy on punish me, yeah. Yeah, I mean what I say, I ain't playing. I'm stuck in my ways, she know I'm a player, but that don't really mean shit, cause she's still right here, yeah.
Yeah, actually, see, this was not here. To be honest, this is my spot I used to come to right here. And they building up in here. This is exactly where I used to come chill at, right here. Right here where all the debris and stuff is at, that was my seat. This was not that open at first. It was just like a little squeeze to come up. It's outside looking in from where we was just at. We was right up in there. Beautiful.
I mean what I say, I ain't playing. I'm stuck in my ways, she know I'm a player, but that don't really mean shit, cause she's still right here, yeah.
I don't play games. I'm a grown ass man, I don't play games. I don't play games.